Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of August 5th, 2014. I'm very grateful to have charts from Trade Navigator to do my trading off of, and the first chart is a weekly bond market chart here. You can see last week was kind of active. We were inundated with economic data and had a nice large week that basically wound up closing about in the middle. And so far this week, they can't really figure out what to do. We've got the middle moving average here. The green line's around 138, and they've just kind of played around both sides of that. It looks like they either want to go up here to 138.28 or down here to 136.28. And of course, because they seem to be moving up, and we do have an uptrend that's lasted all year, you can look at the old high here, 139.03, as being a reasonable target, and they could go higher than that. It's also very possible that they'll just kind of take this week off. That is, just have an inside week inside of the previous week. So much data last week, so little this week, unless we get some surprise from the Ukraine-Russia situation or something. Very possible that they just sort of take it easy all week. Stocks have a little different situation, though. They broke down really hard last week and have a lot of people upset. Now, the important thing to understand is they didn't break anything important. I mean, you've got the mid-Keltner channel here that is, well, it's 1907 this week, and you can see they have not broken down below that, so clearly the trend is still up. There hasn't been anything drastic done. However, they are showing signs that they could be in trouble. The resistance this week, that lower moving average, is around 1937, and they seem to be holding that. That could very well send them down here to the 1892 area, and I almost, and I emphasize, I almost think they need to break below 1900 before they can rally again. I'm not saying we can't see new highs again. I think we can, but I think they might need to break 1900 first, just enough to convince people that everything's horrible. If they can get above 37 this week, the next resistance is first 1957 and then up here 1981. Not sure I could expect that much strength out of them this week, and any more rumors from either bank failures overseas or fighting in Ukraine, Russia, whatever, that could all be negative and could all drop them down. But again, I think 1892, I would be surprised if they got lower than that this week, and have to look long and hard to buy them if they get down there, I think. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.